Hello viewers, let's solve this Olympiad question. Now, looking at this is 3 raised power x is equal to x raised power 9. Let's find a way of getting rid of this power of x here and same thing as the power of 9 so that we can have just numbers on one side and the letter x on the other side. So to do that, to get rid of this power of x, I have to find the xth root of both sides. So it's more like multiplying the power by 1 over x. So you have to do the same thing here, times 1 over x. So watch this now, x will get rid of x, and that leaves you with 3, which is equal to x raised power 9 over x. But again, we have 9 here. How do we get rid of 9? This power of 9. I have to find the 9th root of both sides. That's multiplying the power. You know there's 1 here actually. Multiplying it by 1 over 9. So let's do the same thing here. 9 over x times 1 over 9. So 9 cancels 9, and that leaves us with 3 raised to the power of 1 over 9 is equal to x raised to the power what? 1 over x. But we can't just see, x can't be 3 and x again equal to 9. We can't equate yet. Let's find a way of making the base and the denominator of this fraction the same value, so that we just equate it to x, since that's what we have on this right hand side. If I multiply 9 by 3, that will give me 27. If I cube 3, I'll get 27 as well. Good. Let's change 1 to 3 over 3, which is the same thing actually. So we're timesing. Now, if you do that, I'm going to apply this power 3 here on 3, and then multiply 1 over 9 by 3 here. Okay, making sense? So this is 3 raised to the power 3 times 1 over 27, which is equal to x raised to the power 1 over x. All right, now 3 raised to the power 3 is what? 27. Then we have the power 1 over 27, which is equal to x raised to the power 1 over x. Good. So we can now say, okay, x is 27 since we got 27 here and here as well. So we say, therefore, x is equal to what? 27. And this is the solution to this equation. If you find this video valuable, I'd like you to share this video and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.